Okay, today we're in Elk Grove and we're going to add a little waterfall kit, Ximenez special, to this area right here. Well, we first start out by positioning the first spillway. Then we add a second multi-spillway tier to the first bottom base and then check the position. Now that we have everything set in the right position, we start adding rocks to it so that it'll look totally natural. We grout the rocks in, allowing the rocks to create the spillways. Then we color everything in so that it will all match and look perfectly natural. Looking good so far. Now we're turning the waterfall on, and now we're adjusting the spillways so that everything looks so beautiful and sounds nice. There we got it. Voila. Another beautiful project by the Ximenez family. Thanks for watching.